Tiger fights lion, the fight of the strongest. In the wild, tigers and lions regularly compete for territory and the right to take the lead in the pack. The battle between tigers and lions is a dramatic and fascinating competition between the two most powerful animals in the planet. Keep looking at the screen and witness 35 real lion fighting moments. Unprecedented video revealed struggle for supremacy. Other tigers rule in the dense forests and grasslands of Asia. The powerful leading animal with a strong presence is a formidable hunter, capable of defeating prey with ease. This herd of deer was its first target. Tigers begin to act. The deer ran away in panic. The slowest will become a meal for the king of the jungle. This ferocious predator is one of the 5 tiger species, known as a hunter, relying on camouflage and the ability to approach prey without being detected. Its main meal has appeared. A bear will surely fill the tiger. The ability of big cats, close to prey and move flexibly. The 2 tigers attacking together will certainly not leave a chance to escape. The poor unlucky bear became their meal. Tigers are a very determined predator. They have never given their prey a chance. They observe prey from a distance and silently approach. Attacking at the right distance, with one attack, it was able to completely overpower its prey. Although the boar is also a very strong and stubborn animal. One more testament to the danger of tigers, both guts confronting crocodiles. A tremendous amount of strength when tigers wrestle crocodiles. This is something that hardly any big cat can do. Fights between tigers and lions usually take place when their territories are encountered or when they compete for dominance in a shared area. Both species possess powerful weapons. Tigers have sharp claws and long fangs, while lions have a large body mass and remarkable strength. A clear provocation. Although this male lion is almost the size of a tiger. Every battle between tigers and lions is fierce and bloody, but tigers often have an advantage when fighting alone. Lions often take advantage of the majority in their pack. Together, they attack tigers from different sides. Tigers are usually agile and flexible. They seek to dodge lion attacks and try to attack back from unexpected angles. Sharp claw punches and intense fang scratching is performed with delicacy and efficiency. Both rivals displayed unrelenting courage and determination as they fought to defend their honor and dominion. Inconclusive battles between the strongest. Between the smartest and strongest, they do not fight stupidly and always know where to stop. War sometimes originates with fellow big cats. Two tigers fighting each other is really fierce and scary. Tremendous strength and sharp claws. Frequent scrambling for prey as common causes. Larger tigers are often heavily threatened. Struggle to regain prey, but it seems impossible when it is facing an adult and seasoned tiger. Unlike tigers, which are usually solitary, lions are highly social and often live in packs. The females often go together in search of food. That makes them have peak coordination when hunting prey. A solitary buffalo can hardly escape the encirclement and attack of lions. The poor buffalo tried to find a way to live, but there seemed to be no hope. Eventually, it must become a meal for lions. The male lions have the power of the leader. Even cheetah leopards fall prey to him. It's hard to believe this lion was able to catch the cheetah so easily. On one occasion, the cheetah fell into the hands of two aggressive male lions. The conflicts of male lions always lead to fierce fights. The male lions fight to assert their status and gain reproductive rights. The encounter of sharp teeth and sharp claws. If either was the other, surely the fight would have been fruitful soon. The lions also began to fight. A chaotic and complex situation. The fight dragged on until they were both seriously injured and unable to continue fighting. Lions frequently encountered leopards. The big cat's instincts were too sharp, and the lion, before he could attack, was attacked by the leopard first. This leopard stole the cubs of the lions. It pays a price for this action. The pack behavior of lions is very high. When an enemy invades their families, they will become truly the scariest and most ferocious. The lions begin to take revenge. The leopard senses danger, but it's too late. It cannot escape fate. A swarm of lions surrounding the leopard. It seems that the leopard is exhausted and cannot continue to fight. It is still aggressively struggling, but that is meaningless because of the overwhelming number of lions. Battles always have winners and losers. That's the law of the wild world.